When you open a suspicious email, it's crucial not to click links or download attachments. Verify the sender. Avoid clicking on links. And review the content. Your ability to spot a phish is something to be proud of. And you can help other people avoid danger too. If an email looks suspicious, report it as a phish. The best way to report a phish is by using UAB's new Report Phishing button in Outlook. The button's location may vary depending on the device you are using. Once we verify it's a phish, UAB IT can quickly respond to prevent the threat from reaching anyone else. Report it by following the steps for your device. On the Mac desktop app, click the message menu for more actions. Select Report Phishing. On the Windows desktop app, click Report Phishing from the upper toolbar, or select Phishing from the Report message menu. On the Windows web version, click the message menu for more actions. Hover over Report Message. Select Phishing, or use the Report Phishing shortcut. When reporting on desktop or web, Outlook will prompt a confirmation. Review the information, then click Report. On iPhone, click the message menu for more actions. Select Report Phishing. On Android, click the message menu. Slide up for more actions. Select Report Phishing. After you report a phish, it will be automatically deleted. Find out more at uab.edu/it.